Hello, my name is Calvin Sun. I'm an attorney and I'd like to talk about things you should think about when you are moving out of your apartment. Please understand that I am not giving legal advice in this presentation and that things I'm saying are spoken from a Pennsylvania perspective. What I say may or may not be true in your own state. The most important thing you can do and should do is tell your landlord your new address. You should do it in writing and you should do it before you leave. And in Pennsylvania, you must do these things if you want to be able to claim double damages later on if the landlord is late in returning your deposit, and I'll talk about that point shortly. Next, check your lease to see how clean your apartment must be. The lease might say something about being broom clean. In that case, generally it means that your apartment must only be as clean as what you can get by sweeping with a broom. In other words, you might not need to steam clean the rugs, but it would be a problem if you left bags of garbage in the apartment. Otherwise, you might have to actually go ahead and steam clean the rugs. You might need to make sure that the walls are free of grease and dirt, but basically check to see what you're. Next, do a final inspection, preferably with the landlord present. And I hope you have a document or a record of the condition of the apartment when you moved in. Now's the time for you to compare the move-out condition with the move-in condition. If there are any issues at move-out and they were present at move-in, you want to point that out to the landlord. Finally, get the landlord's signature signifying that he or she agrees with your assessment of the condition of the apartment. Next, you want to check the date that the landlord returned your deposit. I hope you gave that written notice, because if you did, and if the landlord is more than 30 days late in returning your deposit, you can actually sue the landlord for double the amount of the deposit. But if you fail to meet that new address, written address requirement, this double damages provision does not apply. This last slide applies only if you are an alien. It does not apply if you are a U.S. citizen or a U.S. national. If you are an alien, generally speaking, you must report any new address you have to the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, within 10 days of your move. In particular, if you are a student, if you are in F1 status, you must make this notification by telling your designated school official. Other aliens who are subject to this requirement must do so via a Form AR-11, which is available at the USCIS. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation helped you.